abete ngalokhu semthethweni sifuna kwathi ukuthi bani ukhona uhlala lana uteleni utohlala isikhathi lesingakanani nje laba labagqwele the whole South Africa labangadiwa ukuthi babuyapi bachamuka nini no asibadzingi vele. They must go back batobuya kahle ngalokhu semthethweni asibacoshi no it's our brothers just sifuna ukuthi batiwe nabalaka ukuthi bani ula not lento lento kanyalo umuntu uqhamuke ngala ungena ngala uphuma ngala nje anyalo kusiphithiphithi uyabo akubonakala nokuthi kwendekani kusiphithiphithi.
Sibuyile futhi babukele emakhaya njengoba ngishilo ukuthi siyachubeka ke interview abantu siyababuza usibacabanga kuthini with what's happening lana eSouth Africa. People are toying bamasha bathi bona basafuna ma foreigner langa namaphepha la South Africa. So nginobaba lana ngizombuza ukuthi ngicabanga kuthini with what's happening in South Africa. Sanibonani baba?
Sabona futhi.
Yebo njani?
Ngiyaphila mnayethu.
Ngibani ligama baba?
Ukhuluma naFani Maphosa ngila ihlahlawe eMafandisa.
Oh siyabonga kakhulu baba. Ngiyathemba ukuthi ubonile eTinzabeni. Bantu batoyitoya nakhona la Mpumalanga neSpruit ibe khona imatch naseLightenburg ibe khona imatch bathi bantu abasafuna ma foreigner langa namaphepha la South Africa. Ngifuna ukuthola iview yakho.
Yeah ngivumelana nabo umphakathi nawuthi awusafuna ama foreigner langa namaphepha eSouth Africa. Nami ngivumelana nabo. Asiwadzingi ema foreign langa namaphepha eSouth Africa.
Yeah.
Phela ke bantu labangaba khona la bantu labete ngemthetho banedincwadzi bantu lo tokhona kubatresa noma kungaba khona something labayendako tokhona kubatresa but laba labagqwele the whole South Africa labangadiwa ukuthi babuyapi bachamuka nini no asibadzingi vele. Yeah.
So awusabi because ngibona eTinzabeni lamanye mavala ngaphandle bayakhala bathi South Africa inezinophobia nathi vele uma batotala so lamaveni ethu sibacosha sobashaya njengoba benda kubhuti wethu. So awusabi ukuthi maybe nathi kugcina sokusi affecta obafowethu lapha kulamanye mave banga affecteka because of what we are doing in South Africa.
Angisabi lokho because I think they don't understand ukuthi South African afunani. We are not saying abantu bangaphandle bangede South Africa. We are saying abantu betanga labaqhamuka ngaphandle they must come straight. Baqhamuke straight nema passport. We need to know them. If kwendeka ke ba commit a crime, sathi ukuthi bani commit a crime because now babulala abantu la after 2 days 2 minutes they are gone back to Zimbabwe, back to Nigeria, back to where they coming from. Abayikho traceable maphoyisa ahlupheka la kunema case lekahlela afrozekile lapha kubulewe bantu. Those people abadi ukuthi batotholakala ku because they come ngaphandle kwemthetho then baphindze babiyele emuva ngaphandle kwemthetho. Asathi nokuthi ngibani it's like a ghost lefike eSouth Africa yabulala umuntu then it's disappear nowhere to find. Yeah so abete ngalokhu semthethweni sifuna kwathi ukuthi bani ukhona uhlala lana uteleni utohlala isikhathi lesingakanani njengoba nathi uma siya emaveni abo sihamba ngema passport like if I'm going to Mozambique ngisebenzisa i-passport ngidlula kahle eBora Gate Chacha Stembu ngiye eMozambique ngiyohlala lamalanga lebangivumele ukuthi ngihlala wona after that I'm coming back home. Yeah.
There is something nokhuluma President Malema we EFF uthena no is true vele sebakhona la South Africa but singabahambisi manje siba document etsine la South Africa la it's a waste of time ukuthi bahambise ngoba bethu babuye. But do you agree with him?
I don't agree with him because you won't say sebala asale siba documenta ngoba sebala they still those coming there footbezala that means kuyoba nema million ebantu labaqhamuka ngaphandle solo sibanika bomatisi bo what angeke usiside ngaloko ababiyele emuva baqhamuke straight from emaveni abo laba bathi khona where they born baqhamuke vele nema passport bathi se South Africa siyowenda lokho eSouth Africa noma ngiyohlala isikhathi lesingaka eSouth Africa then it's fine. Now they must go back batobuya kahle ngalokhu semthethweni asibacoshi no it's our brothers just sifuna ukuthi batiwe nabalaka ukuthi bani ula not lento lento kanyalo umuntu uqhamuke ngala ungena ngala uphuma ngala nje anyalo kusiphithiphithi uyabo akubonakala nokuthi kwendekani kusiphithiphithi. So akube kahle emthethweni njengoba nathi ma South African when are going out bahamba ngema passport nababuya batiwa ukuthi bani ukuphi nababuya bayabuya njalo nje ngilokhu lesifuna kona no asibacoshi bafowethu laba they are Africans ngama Africa but abete kahle bangedinga lento yabo yokuqhamuka sebafohla ngemafenisi no lokho asikufuna sifuna umuntu ete kahle ayende lokulayenda kona aphinza ajika biyele ekhaya.
Yeah. Siyabonga kakhulu bhuti wami ngicela nje mavi ukugcina lokho ngawakhuluma maybe umuntu wangaphandle or longena ngemthethweni lana uyabukela ngicela nje ukuthi ukhulume nabo, just look at the camera and speak.
I think nathi lesimo lesiniphethe ngalapha emavenini nathi kungenzeka sisiphathe ngala, but guys asiniqoshi qhamukani kahle. I know ukuthi labanye benu beta kahle batofuna madlelo lalihlada ku right lokho, but labanye benu beta la batoganga benda something le wrong, benda lokho wrong, basibulalela abantwana barepa abantwana. 2 minutes they are going back home, asakhona nokwathi ukuthi bani ubulewe ngibani. So guys asiniqoshi qhamukani kahle ngema-passport, qhamukani kahle niphelele nibe bantu laba khona kutraceka, because now anitraceki. Laba labaqhamuke ngemaphepha siyakhona ukubatrace and naba banavalo, but laba labaqhamuke banganamaphepha ngibo labathi hey South Africa is xenophobia, because they know that abanawo maphepha. Guys ampane emakhaya nolungisa amaphepha nibuye kahle, ningene kahle border. Bokanyalo ningena ngetikhala le nitawuzeni lunye dinyoka netimamba, ngenani kahle border straight. Nito wamukeleke South Africa sili nani ningali nathi masiya kini ngoba sizoba sinemaphepha nani zwakalani ngemaphepha. Yeah, ngiloko lengakusho.
No, siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you bhuti.
Babukeli, siyabonga nimvileke ukuthi uthini, uthi akalwi akanzondi, we are all Africans, but uthi qhamukani nemaphepha ngendlela le right. Siyaqhubeka ke sibutela abanye, so siyacela nje ukuthi usifollowe KJ Shungube ku Facebook, KJ Shungube ku YouTube, Kenny KJ01 ku TikTok. Thank you very much.